Now let's apply discount while creating purchase order. So go to purchase order and select your vendor. And then add some items. And here you can see that as soon as I try to add an item, QuickBooks gave me a prompt mentioning that this item is associated with an income account. Do you want to continue? Well, since we are going to subcontract it, we need to check it whether it's been set up for subcontracting or not. So close the purchase order and go to items and services. And then double click on the service you want to subcontract. And then click on this checkbox which says this service is used in assemblies or is performed by a subcontractor or partner. This is exactly what we wanted. So write the cost you will bear by subcontracting this service, and to track it, select the design income account which we have created as a cost of goods sold account. And also, you sure can select a preferred vendor, but for now, I'm not going to. And then write the description if you want, and then click on OK, and then click on Yes. Now, we have just set it up as a service that can be subcontracted too.